Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to lock a Netflix profile. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in netflix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Netflix if you haven't already done that, of course. And of course, buy the Netflix subscription. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the home, TV shows, movies, new and popular, my list, and browse by languages. And in the top right corner, we have your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and lock Netflix profile. So first of all, you need to, as I told you, log into your profile and hover over your profile icon in the top right corner and select account from the drop down menu. Okay, and click on account. Then you need to go under profile and parental controls. So you need to go and find that. And then after that, click on profile lock, change PIN if already set. You'll be prompted to enter your Netflix account password. Then you can set a 4-digit PIN for the profile you want to lock. Optionally check the box for required PIN to access the profile. And then just click save. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.